Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your iPhone 11. Before you begin, it's crucial to back up all your important data to iCloud or your computer. This ensures you won't lose any precious photos or documents. Also, make sure your iPhone has at least 50% battery life. Finally, disable Find My iPhone and sign out of your Apple ID to avoid any activation lock issues later on. Now, let's get to the actual reset. Open your Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General. From there, you'll see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Your iPhone will ask for your passcode and then your Apple ID password to confirm. This step completely wipes your device, making it ready for a fresh start or a new owner. Sometimes, a full reset isn't necessary. If your iPhone is acting sluggish or frozen, a force restart can often fix it. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Immediately after, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear, which usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. This won't erase your data. After the reset is complete, your iPhone will restart and present you with the Hello screen. You can then choose to set it up as a brand new device or restore your data from the backup you created earlier. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Apple ID, and download your favorite apps. Your iPhone will feel fresh and responsive, ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.